I'm late, man. The Chainsaw Man just dropped 2 days ago. I couldn't get to the day it dropped, but I'm here now. So October is crazy, bro. October is so crazy, bro. We got fucking this, Blue Lock, 1,000 Year Blood War, My Hero. But then the icing on the cake, Togashi, Hunter x Hunter coming back. Yes, sir. October 28th, I think it was. I'm gonna hop right into it though. I'm ready to get it started. I don't really know much about the show. It's like he becomes like a chainsaw demon. And it's animated by MAPPA, so you know MAPPA, they second the Ufotable type shit. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subscribers, and leave a like, and let me know what you thought of the episode with a comment down below. Let's get into it. Right back like we never left. This is either a flash forward or a flashback. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm taking from that sequence. And he opens up here. This art style reminds me with the painterly backgrounds and everything. This some Arcane shit. You ain't seen Arcane, you should sleep. Oh, this is Japanese money. I was about to say 60,000. Nigga selling his body parts for money? So one of your nuts. Are you crazy as hell? You only got $1,000 for your nut? Ain't no way, boy. Oh, you in debt. Sell that little thing. What the fuck? Yeah, so why the fuck are you selling your body parts? 2 thumbs up for that intro. 2 thumbs up. I've seen it on social media, so you know, or parts of it. You know, pop culture references. On the black market. Whoa. Oh. That's crazy. They taxing like, you know? Because he's stupid. Oh, that's crazy. I ain't pay. What? That's what I was about to say. He just goes with the flow type shit. Hey, yo, bro, don't do that. This nigga really desperate for bread like that? He eating cigarettes? Couldn't be me. Oh. I'm in this secluded ass cemetery, so it's only one tombstone in this bitch. Is my fucking pops. He just fucking hung himself, and you gonna pull up? You gonna drive through to tell me to pay you 700 bands? Oh, you got sharp teeth though, bro. What's up? Are you hurting, bro? Damn, you got bullet holes? Shit like a Pokemon, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely a normal steel type. They're like 7. She gonna do the struggle, bro. Oh, alright. Damn, this nigga got it all planned out. Sound good. So you pay off this fucking debt. Damn, you got the Itachi. I don't like his voice, bro. Like the nigga that was at the door, I don't like his voice. This is the anime typically aren't, you know. It's a setup. Setup, get out of there. You talking too much, he ain't saying nothing? It's a setup, get out. What the fuck is that? A zombie? With a knife?
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Made a deal with the devil.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
This some devil may cry shit.
その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだ。
Okay, they are literal zombies.
ゾンビの悪魔だ。
They're the zombie devil. The shadows is crazy. I wonder if that was mocap. Like all the 3D shots, if they're mocap or not.
根持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけ。
I told you I couldn't trust that boy. His voice, bro. It's his voice. He could have had any other voice. But he had that one. Nah. Dingy, my boy. Like, nah. Zombies with knives is crazy though. Shit killed his motherfucking ass. You about to fuse with that devil though, right? What this some power friendship shit? What the? It's like no, this some She-Hulk shit.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもし
いや
れない。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない。俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
The prophecy was foretold.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
So is Chainsaw Man both of them combined or just Pochita? That look nasty on his chest. I ain't gonna hold you.
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか。
Wolf.
私はデンジの夢の話を
What
聞
the
くのが
fuck?
好きだった。
Look at this thing talking, bro. That's uncanny valley, bro.
私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を
Sure.
私に見せて。
Oh shit, they still around? These goddamn zombies? They ain't leave yet. At least he got rid of the mafia for you.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。
Dream big, I guess, yeah. We're fighting dreamers, bro.
じゃあ悪いことじゃね
Y'all do have some parallels. They wanted to move up, you wanted to move up.
邪魔すんなら死ね。
You're done. An eye for an eye. That big sweeping shot, that's a MAPPA special right there. This husky ass zombie. You don't chop this thing in half? Straight rocks and shit. What you gonna do about it? Hit him with the uppercut. How you gonna you can't be a nah. You was hot shit before and then you supposed to stay away. Keep the same energy. You better fight back. Better slice all that motherfucker. That was an Attack on Titan joint right there. Gotta go for the brain for these goddamn zombies. Now, does that free the other people, or are they still zombies?
心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえ。
Where the main nigga at? Where he at?
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Oh, he in his bag now. He enjoying it. You feared that. There you go right there. Get his ass. Somebody about to come in and see this shit. Like, what the hell's happening here? Hey, he debt free now. That's all he ever wanted. But now Pochita is gone? Who are these goons? This Jujutsu Tech? The Men in Black? Who the fuck are these?
変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない。
I'm a little bit of both.
これ
Yeah, so you see my shield out there. You saw I get down. hug me. I guess he got what he wanted. He's dreaming of winning. I mean, y'all not cuddling like you thought you was gonna be, but she hugging you like, yeah. She just melts off. That's weird. Public safety. What the fuck y'all been at this whole time? Well, I don't want to die, so I guess I'll choose the second option. Bread with the butter and the jam. That's what he wanted. He's in. You said bread and jam, he was in. But yeah, that was episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, bro. Art style, fire. Soundtrack, fire. Character design, fire. The backgrounds and everything, fire. MAPPA doing their fucking thing as per usual. They've been on a roll. His mom died from some type of blood condition. And his dad hung himself, which I'm still a little up in the air about. You know, anime dads always got some other shit going on. I thought he just hung himself at the gravesite. And the little chainsaw dog was there, Pochita. He had like bullet holes or like stab wounds or something like that. He's about to die too. So something happened there. And then the mafia niggas gonna come to my pop's gravesite. Like, I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's only one gravesite in this whole big ass field of grass. You gonna come to my gravesite like while I'm here and say I owe you money? Like, what's up, bro? And I know I couldn't. I mean, it's obvious he was like not a good person because he worked with the mafia or whatever he doing. He exploiting little kids for money and shit like that. But at the same time, like his voice, bro. Niggas in anime with that voice never should be trusted. It's that simple. He's free of them at least, so that's a good thing. And he's with the public safety department, I guess. My thing is, where was y'all antennas at this whole time? I was like 7 when he picked me up. I'm like 15, 16 right now. It's been years. He never even heard of them. She introduced herself. He was like, oh shit, public safety. What the fuck? So I could have been doing this legitimately this whole time. So to work for the fucking mafia. I know that pink haired chick is the main character. I didn't watch the intro. I don't want to spoil myself for things to come and the characters to be shown and things of that nature. But yeah, this shit's shaping up to be a great show. A solid foundation episode. A solid starting point. A nice building block. So when he died, the chainsaw dog took his body and fused with him, brought him back, and now he has the chainsaw powers. But is that all he has? I ain't trying, like, I mean, power scaling or nothing like that, but it's just chainsaws. You just got chainsaws on your hand, like, and you fighting demons and devils and shit, and like fucking zombie devils. Like, I wonder who the main antagonist is gonna be, bro. Watch it be his pop. He like the fucking reincarnation devil. Every time he die, come back stronger or some shit like that. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you thought with a comment down below and leave a like. I've been Infinite Ghost. Peace.